the growth of Otis from being at one machine. Now we have a full factory and robotics in here now, so it's been a good change.
We spreading, it's growing, there's different things that you learn in that. New projects coming up that we didn't have before we started.
I came in and I started as a material handler in the warehouse, and just seeing the opportunity that was there to grow, I took advantage of that. I learned as much as I could, and from there I went to a team leader, and now that I got promoted to a supervisor, it's just an opportunity for growth. Otis presented a lot of opportunity. I came here to see where it had progress, is, changes from machinery to, the showroom. It just really have grown and expanded, and because when we first came here with a lot of stuff that we had to do manually, but then they also implanted stuff that would make the job more efficient for you, more easy for you, more safer, so it's a variety of things.
My grandbaby is 6, and every time he gets in an Otis elevator, Grandma, there go y'all elevator. When y'all made this one? I'd be like, okay, baby, I'm not sure when we made it, but yes, that's part of ours. And all of them he enjoys, especially the ones now with the little touch screens and stuff. He think it's just, wow, Grandma, y'all do this? Yeah.
I've been with the company for 10 years now. Yeah, I'm really excited about the company. After we put everything together, just seeing it work, seeing just sometimes hard to see the end result, but we actually get to see the end result every time we step in the elevator and it goes up and down. So it's like, it's real exciting to me.
Me and my family took a family trip, and we got one of the elevators that we made, and I could show them the buttons and different parts of the elevator that I touch every day.
Oh, I feel proud. I really do. I get excited about it. Matter of fact, I will tell them, look, I work for that company.
My grandma, when I first told her I was working for Otis Elevator and that we was building elevators, she said, no, baby, y'all not building no elevators here. She said, y'all might build a piece of it. And I had to show her a picture where we took in front of this glass elevator. And she was like, oh, okay, y'all really is. She was like 87 then, so elevators coming a long way.